What's going on, everybody? This is Weekly Reviews here, and today, guys, we have a unboxing to go ahead and share off today. But before we start it, I wanted to go ahead and basically get on to what this unboxing is going to be for. Now, I'm sure some of you guys remember that I did an unboxing of this really nice keyboard, which is the Razer Deathstalker for PC. Now, over time, this Deathstalker has been nothing but amazing for me, but I have decided to go ahead and move on to a much better and also a little bit cheaper keyboard that is also mechanical. So that is what our unboxing is for today. So let's go ahead and get this package open from Newegg, and hopefully not have a too bad of a fail trying to open it this time compared to my last unboxing for that Monster Hunter Gala figure. And of course, as you can see right here from the box, it says that it's straight from Newegg. And Newegg is a great place, literally. I've literally found a home with Newegg. Alright, so we got lots and lots of air pocket paper. Toss those away. And of course, we got my packing list for what my product was. So let's get the product out of here. So this is what our unboxing is going to be for today, which is the Razer BlackWidow Tournament Edition. So let's go ahead and pop it on out of the box. Now, compared to my last keyboard, like I stated, this one is the Razer Deathstalker. Now, the Deathstalker, though, is completely different from what this one is, because this one is a mechanical keyboard, and it also uses MX Blue switches, or at least in their own variety of MX Blue switches. So let's go ahead and talk about all that it has. It has all new Razer mechanical switches designed for gaming, has greater durability, 3 times more than standard mechanical switches, has a compact layout with a detachable USB cable. Now, this one doesn't glow or anything like that, like how the Deathstalker did. But regardless, I'm not too worried about a keyboard always glowing. What I'm wanting more than anything is durability, especially when I'm gaming on my PC. So let's go ahead and get this out of here, and we'll go ahead and take a look at all the contents that are inside it. And hopefully not break the box, because I would like to keep this box, because it's actually pretty cool looking box. So as you can see, every time whenever Razer sends you something, it's going to have a nice inward green packaging, which is really nice. Also, whenever they send you something, also their products are all recycled, so they use recycled paper. Very, very nice. Recycled paper and cardboard. Now also with this, it also comes with a really awesome sleeve, a really nice sleeve that you can go ahead and use to carry it around with you. And this is a very nice, like, Velcro sleeve, so this is really nice. And as you guys can hear, that's the sound of a mechanical keyboard compared to the Deathstalker, which doesn't really have, you could tell, a huge difference. So plus these will last much longer. So let's get this Velcro sleeve off of it. And of course, there's our USB cable. Let's go put that to the side for a second, and let's roll this thing on out of here and take a look at it. And this is a oh my god, this is beautiful. Okay, so I was actually wrong about one thing. It will actually glow on the Razer logo right here. And of course, whenever you go ahead and set it up, you'll put the mini USB port right there. So whenever we get it all set up, we can obviously just put that cord right through there and then hook it straight up to our computer. Now, of course, though, again, this is a mechanical keyboard. Mechanical keyboards last longer, they're much more reliable, they're much more durable, and plus these are actually ones that you can customize the keys if you wanted to. And one of the good things that I like about that is because while this is going to be a lot louder, Again, you guys can hear the difference between that compared to the Razer Deathstalker. This also is a 10 keyless keyboard. So if you guys can see the comparison, not trying to do it that way. This one has, of course, no number pad, no keypad for the other side. This one has just the simple basic numbers and letters like how a normal keyboard should have. So, and plus this is for a lot smaller. This is one of the reasons why I got it, because I wanted a smaller keyboard compared to how my desk is right now. But anyway, so let's go ahead and get this unraveled and go ahead and show you kind of what the cable is that it uses, which is also a gold-plated braided cable, kind of like how the Razer Death Adder mouse that I have. As you guys can see, there's a gold-plated USB connector. It even comes with a little stopper for it. That's always nice. And again, this is a braided cable, so whenever you get a braided cable, they're going to be much more durable, and they're much more reliable on the braided cables than they are for just regular rubberized cables. So anyway though, guys, this was again my unboxing and showing of the Razer BlackWidow, try that again, Razer BlackWidow Tournament Edition for the PC. So if I get a chance to go ahead and do a review of this, I will post it up and let you guys hear personally what I think about this mechanical keyboard. But until then, guys, thank you again for watching. This has been Weekly Reviews, telling you guys to take care, and as always, game on.